Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to get this in the mail today. I have my Bibbidi Bobbidi box for April and I have no idea what is in here. This is basically like a Disney mystery box subscription service. I have the Ultimate Magic box. So this one is $119. They do send this to me so that I could share on my channel. But so far I've been so impressed with their boxes. They do make them customizable to what you want. You can ask for specific things and it is so much fun. It's a must try if you guys are a Disney lover like me. So I have the Ultimate Magic, which is $119 for the month. You could do this as a subscription. You can do it as a one-time thing if you want. They also have some cheaper options. This one does include usually a designer item. So you for sure get your money's worth with these boxes. And you can even get like some park exclusive items, which is really cool. Even though the parks are closed right now, it's kind of a way to get your Disney magic fix. So I do have a code if you guys want to use it for $7 off. I will have it down below if you guys want to sign up. I do these, like I said, I've been doing them I think since February was my first one, so I'll link some of my previous ones down below as well if you guys want to see what I got. So I didn't really ask for anything specific this month, so I'm really curious to see what is going to be in here. I have literally no idea. Alright, so these are what the boxes look like. They're adorable. And you open it up and it's like a surprise. Stuff just flew out, but we have this, which says spoiler alert, packing slip and close. It does tell you all the details of everything and how much things are. And then you get this cute little sticker that you open. Oh, right. I am so excited to see what we got. First thing, this looks cute. This is by Disney. It says Brito on it. And it looks like we got a little figurine. It's from the Showcase collection. I'm really excited because I've been wanting to get more of these like figurine kind of things to display and make a little Disney shelf. And I think this will be adorable. So we got Minnie it's called. This is what it looks like. How cute is she? She has the funnest outfit on. It's very colorful. So I'm really excited that I can kind of display this and start a little Disney shelf. Maybe I'll store like all my backpacks and stuff in it. It says it's by the pop artist Romero Brito. He uses vibrant colors and bold patterns as a visual language of hope and happiness. That's so cute. So that is my first item. Super adorable. We got something in here. I'm guessing it's a mug since it's wrapped really well with bubble wrap. That is so cute. This is really cool because it's from the Flower and Garden Festival, which didn't really get to happen for too long this year, and I never got to go to the actual festival. So I kind of have this little memento, even though I was there this year, like literally a couple days before the festival started. And this is so cute. It's a little watering can mug, and it says the Epcot Flower and Garden Festival 2020. It's a pass holder, actually exclusive. And it has a little Minnie riding her bike around to Epcot. This has to be the cutest mug I've ever seen. I love this so much. I'm going to have to take a cute photo on Instagram with this. I am dead. This is so pretty. Wow. Love that. I do have a little mug collection. I have a lot of Ray Dunn mugs and a couple Disney ones. I collect kind of mugs and I collect tumbler cups as well. So I'm definitely going to be displaying this. It's so cute. Okay, so this next thing, they have started making their own masks. I don't know why I can't say that word. Masks. I feel like I say it so weird. But I think I did request one because I don't really have a whole lot of masks and I really need some. I need to wear it when I go out, when I'm going to the stores, and I want to, you know, feel protected and protect others. And this one is so pretty. So they have started making their own, and this one is a little Belle Beauty and the Beast mask. So it has Belle with Mrs. Potts and Chip. It's very beautiful. So it kind of just goes like this, and you'll put it behind the ears like so. And you would wear it like that. But yeah, I'm so glad to have one of these because I really don't have one. And I feel like a lot of stores are probably, even when they open, gonna want people to be wearing masks for a bit. So this is gonna come in handy so much. So I'm so happy to get this. And how cute is it? Okay, the next thing I got is a really cute little keychain here. Ew, this is a Flower and Garden one too. Okay, this is so pretty. I love the theme here. So it kind of goes with my mug. Wow, all the details on this are just gorgeous. Look at that. So It's Minnie riding her little bike again. This is adorable, the little Minnie head there. Then it has this flower bouquet. Ugh, beautiful. The last thing, which I'm also pretty pumped about, I've been dying to try these, but Bibbidi Boxes makes their own leggings, and I got a pair. So these are the leggings. They're super fun, and they kind of have this geometric pattern. Their brand is, I think it's called B by Bibbidi, and these look really nice. They feel really good. They're so bright and fun, so I think these will definitely be nice to take a photo in. And I've been going on a lot of walks lately since there's not a lot to do. The weather has been gorgeous, so I'm definitely going to be wearing these. So cute, and just wearing these around the house as well. It has the little B logo on the side, the 2 pockets down here. You could definitely fit your phone, your keys in these. But yeah, these feel really nice, and I think they should be maybe a 7/8 length, so I don't think they should be too long. So yay, I'm so excited to try out their leggings. I definitely love this pattern. So that is everything I got in my Bibbidi box. That was so much fun. I definitely got a lot of different items than normal. I feel like this was really cool. Like, we kind of had like a flower and garden themed box, which I am not complaining about. I love that. I think all these things are so nice. I'm obsessed with the mug, the figurine, the keychain, the leggings, everything. It's so much fun. Okay, so I totally made a mistake in the beginning. Usually I get the Ultimate Magic box, which is $119, but I got the Imagination box, which is $99. So this one's a little bit different. So we don't get like a designer item in this one. You get 3 to 5 items, and like not a designer one, so no Alex and Annie, no like Loungefly, stuff like that. So that makes sense why I was looking at it. I was like, wait, that doesn't equal 120, but it equals 110. So I got $10 over what the box would cost for the $99 box, because we got the mask, which is valued at $10, the figurine, this is $25, the leggings are valued at $44.95, and then the mug, this one is $19.99, and the keychain is $9.99, so as a total of $109.93. That definitely confused me for a minute. But yeah, like I said, they do have different levels and tiers depending on how much you want to spend. But that's going to be it for my unboxing. I had so much fun unboxing this, and I cannot wait already for next month. There's been some really cute stuff on the Shop Disney website. But like I said, if you guys are interested in this, I'll have the link down below to sign up with a coupon code to get $7 off your first box. It is so much fun. It would also be a really fun gift for Mother's Day as well, although the boxes do ship a little bit later in the month. But I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye guys. Colorblind, yeah.